Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to change your profile background on PlayStation 5. First, grab your controller and move to the upper right corner, then into your profile. Next, switch to Edit Profile, then go to Cover Image. Click to select an image, choose your picture, then move to Select. In the left corner you can zoom, rotate, or position the image. Adjust it as you like, then click Done. Move to save, and after a few moments your profile background has changed. That's how you do it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs up, comments, and subscribe. See ya.